Hello guys, here we go again, one more time. So today's lesson we're gonna learn, okay, how to describe actions, okay, like it says here, is to describe actions. For this, okay, we really need the structure, which is, okay, the present continuous or, okay, the present progressive, which is the same, es lo mismo, okay, present continuous, okay, or present progressive is the same. So let's start. When we talk about action or describing actions, that means that we need the verbs in the progressive form, okay? And I'm going to explain that. So the present continuous or the present progressive is the combination of the verb to be, okay, the verb to be, plus any verb in progressive form, okay? Any verb in progressive form. So here we have the verb to be, I'm, are, is, okay? And the end we have is. Plus any verb in progressive form. Any verb, cualquier verbo, okay? And here we have it, going, playing, watching, writing, talking, eating, drinking. So where did we get, okay, these verbs? Los sacamos de aquí, all right? So de esta lista de verbos. Okay, in the present form, en la forma presente, okay, we say go, play, watch, write, talk, eat, and drink. But when we put these verbs into the progressive is when we put the ing form into the verb, okay? El ing, ing, all right? Ing form into the verb. Go, going. Play turns in playing. Watch become watching. Write turns in writing. Talk become talking. Eat become eating, okay? Drink becomes drinking, all right? So all these verbs, okay, have at the end ing form. Ing, all of them. The thing that is in black or the information that is in black is extra information, okay? That's it. So remember, it's a combination of the verb to be plus the progressive form of any verb, cualquier verbo, okay? Es la combinación del verbo to be más el progresivo de cualquier verbo. All right, so let's start. So remember, el I, so we use I am. El you are. We are. They are. She is. He is. And it, okay, is my dog. Okay, acuérdense que el it lo ocupamos para una persona, animal o un objeto. Okay, en este caso, my dog is it. Okay, my dog is. So let's continue. So it's a combination, all right? So aquí tengo separado para que ustedes vean cómo lo hicimos, okay? So it's okay, I am going to the beach. You are playing soccer. We are watching TV. They are writing the story. She is talking in French. He is eating a delicious pizza. My dog is drinking water. So the translation in Spanish is, yo estoy, okay, yendo a la playa. You are playing soccer. Tú estás jugando, okay, fútbol. We are watching TV. Nosotros estamos, okay, viendo televisión. And so on. Continue with the same meaning, okay, of the verb to be plus the progressive verb. So that's the way that we can do and we create this structure, okay, combining the verb to be plus any verb in progressive form. Okay, so let's continue. Common mistakes. Errores muy comunes, common mistakes. So when we are using this structure, okay, we make mistakes. ¿Qué tipo de errores? Okay, like this one. Algunas veces a las personas, sometimes people forget to write the verb to be. Se les olvida escribir el verbo to be. Okay, aquí, I going to the beach. Al traducirlo se dice yo yendo, ok, yo yendo to the beach. La forma correcta, the correct form is I am going to the beach. So hay que tener cuidado. You have to be very careful, okay, not to forget to write this verb to be. Otro error muy común, another common mistake es este de aquí. Some people indeed write the verb to be, realmente escriben el verbo to be, pero se les olvida escribirle ing al verbo progresivo. Entonces, you are play soccer. Entonces la traducción sería, tú estás fútbol. Tú estás jugar fútbol. Incorrect. The correct form is you are playing soccer. Okay, tú estás jugando fútbol. You are playing soccer. So guys, so these are the very common mistakes, okay, when we start using this structure. So take this in account, not to make these mistakes, and write your sentences correctly. How you can use this, okay, structure, ¿cómo lo pueden usar? Very easy, very simple. I'm gonna explain this to you. For example, when you talk about your routine, so you go in present, ustedes van en presente con su rutina diaria. For example, I get up very early, I take a shower, I go to work early, have breakfast, I watch TV in my house, study English alone, brush my teeth, I go to bed early. So that's, okay, basically your routine in present. So whenever you start your routine in the morning, cuando empiecen su rutina en la mañana, que esas son de las que más hacemos todos los días, okay, las que están ahí viéndoles, díganlas a la vez en progresivo, ¿ok? ¿Cómo irían entonces? Cuando ustedes se levanten, empiezan. I get up very early. I'm getting up very early, ¿ok? Ahí no está. Get very early. Se me olvidó, ¿ok? Escribir el very early, ¿ok? Pero ustedes lo dicen. Next, I take a shower, ¿ok? I'm taking a shower, ¿ok? Yo tomo un baño, pero como está en ese momento haciéndolo, I'm taking a shower, okay? Me estoy dando un baño. I'm taking a shower. I go to work early. I'm going to work early. Yo estoy yendo a trabajar temprano. I have breakfast. I'm having breakfast. Estoy desayunando. I watch TV in my house. I'm watching TV in my house. Estoy viendo televisión en mi casa. I study English alone. I'm studying English alone, okay? Yo estudio inglés solo. Yo estoy estudiando inglés solo. I'm studying English alone. I brush my teeth, all right? I'm brushing my teeth, all right? So, yo cepillo mis dientes. Yo estoy cepillando mis dientes, okay? Like that. I go to bed early. I'm going to bed early, okay? Like that. So, guys, basically, this is the way that we can use, okay, two structures at the same time, dos estructuras al mismo tiempo, ¿ok? Pueden empezar diciéndolo en presente y de ahí lo están diciendo en progresivo. And that's the way that you use two structures at the same time. Your weekly routine in present and the action, okay, in progressive form. Because remember, present progressive, okay, is about to describe actions that are happening at the moment, que están pasando en el momento. Okay, that's why I give you these examples, okay? So you can tell two structures at the same time. All right, guys, so basically that is the explanation, all right? If you have some questions, just write some comments, okay, below the video. All right, guys, excellent job learning English. Very easy, very simple with me. Goodbye.